Today is the last day of April. It's beautiful outside, and I'm going to be assembling the 18-foot by 4-foot Coleman frame pool. That's all the frame connectors, hose adapters. This has got to be the frame. One thing this pool didn't come with is a ground cover to protect the base of the pool. Last year's pool got put up in storage and mice decided to chew it apart. So that's why I replaced it this year. I'm going to use last year's pool as the ground cover to protect this year's pool. You have to make sure the orientation that you want to have here, because the inlet and outlets should ideally be closer to the electrical supply that you have. So that's why I'm rotating it right here. In the frame kit, you've got one set of tubes that's wider than all the others. They will be the top rail. And they've got a push button snap, go together real easy. This is a part that would really be great to have more than just one person putting it together.
Are a lot more pieces to it. I would say next time maybe we need to get like a really big tote, like the biggest you can find, and fold it up and put it inside of one of those.
Maybe.
Then maybe mice won't get in it.
one.
Does the ladder that come with it match it?
So I've got the pool roughly in its place. I need to add about an inch of water in it, stretch out all the wrinkles, and to fill it with water, I'm going to be using an RV water filter. Now I really recommend this. It helps with keeping your pool balanced. You'll have clean, pure water, and it won't have to be treated nearly as hard. Now, once I get the water in there, I can just pull these legs out, get them set at 90 degrees, and then I'll bury these pavers under the feet. Now in the instructions it is recommended to put a paver stone under these legs. Now I'm using a 6 by 9 by 1.5 inch. That's where this one needs to be. And I'm going to dig it out where it sits. Just the slightest bit too deep. Not bad. Once a little more water gets in here, that'll work. Just repeat the process all the way around. I believe there are 18 legs. This goes on the inside of the pool. Gasket on the inside wall. Big ring out here. There's a larger set of threads that it fits onto. And then there's a smaller set here for this shut-off valve. Make sure the O-ring hasn't fallen off. Got these little inlets here. They will press in from the inside. And the blue tubes that go on that. Handy little hose clamps. Put the two blue lines onto this T-joint. I added the white line because I needed one more so the math works. I have a chlorine generator on here. So we'll go into the pump on the top. That's the inlet. Outlets on the bottom. Chlorine generator. Back to the pool. I've got my papers all the way around. You have to watch, they move a little. When you level out one side, it pulls this band. It may pull some of your other legs off the centers. But I need a little more water to kind of stretch the sides out, and I'll keep an eye on it. But for now, I've got it filling up. There's about 6 inches in it. not too bad. Here's the ladder it come in the box. It was gray, and I already had last year's pool ladder. Didn't really need it, but put it together anyway. So from start to finish, I spent about 4 hours really, and I wasn't in much of a hurry. Didn't have help the whole time, so it's not too hard. I did start with a fairly level surface though. And if you're not starting with a level surface, then you know this will be a difficult project. What I had to do to make the base last year was build this retaining wall, because this point right here is about 20 inches higher than the yard used to be. So 20 inches, make it even with that side. You want to go again?
No, actually, I'm going to do a backflip. 3, 2, 1, backflip. I hit the bottom of the pool with my head.
Hey, I appreciate you taking time to watch my video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below.